let's look at how markets react on the budget day. So if you can see, we've put data from February 26, 2010 to 2024. So if you see, average return of Nifty 1 week before the budget is -4%, while 1 week after the budget is 1.3%. Out of the last 18 budgets since 2010, Nifty has ended up on a positive notes on 12 budgets. Okay, so I feel that we should not be very overreacting to the budget. It's just one of the events which tells us where the government is spending and where is the government getting the money from. And we want the government to be prudent to control the fiscal deficit and spend on capital expenditure. So that is only like what is the outcome of the budget. We should not be like too much reactive to the budget, what will happen, what not will happen. If I look at the data of the last 18 budget sessions, okay, 12 occasions after the budget, the Nifty has ended positive. And on most of the occasions, a week before the budget, the market has always been negative. But a week afterwards, it has gone positive. So I'm not saying that market will become positive even after this budget. There were these 6 sessions where still the market was negative. We don't know if now this year is one out of, out of the 18, that's 6 which were negative. But like I said, that there is not too much which you need to read in terms of market's impact on the budget. Market may react if fiscal deficit is high, if government is making more revenue expenditure, spending more on freebies, spending more on subsidies, and not really doing much on the capex. If government is taxing us more, if ye sab points aa gaye budget mein, so that means market did not like the budget and market can go down reacting to the budget in the short run. But in the long run, again, what will make the markets move is the GDP growth. At the end of the day, only thing what will drive the market is the GDP growth. If GDP grows, companies' earnings grow. If companies' earnings grow, the market grows. Okay. So eventually, budget will become one of the events after a month, 2 months, and people will be back on looking at what is the GDP growth and how is the GDP moving and how is the company's earnings moving.